Hello and very welcome to a new video. Today I would like to talk about my Aim and Machine plugin, which is basically, I think, the most versatile aim and break sampler on the market. So let's dive in. So let me quickly guide you through all the functionalities. So now I'm running it as a VST in Bitwig, but you can also use it as standalone version. Tabs here, which is the composition part, the audio effects part, and the performance part. In the composition part, as you might guess, you can change notes and do a lot of stuff on the composing side. Here you can add different kind of effects, which are typical for aim and breaks. And in the performance page, you can address macros for playing live. Let's start with the composing tab. And by the way, also you have plenty of variation up to 64 and a really nice randomized functionality to create and generate random patterns. But let's stick with the init patch and let's say play. By the way, there's also a version where you can switch to light mode, which some user prefer, but I'll keep the dark one. So let's go back to here. So I play, and at the moment it's synced with Bitwig. If you press this, you see it's synchronized with Bitwig. If I play here, it starts playing the init patch. And as you can see, it's sliced into different samples, and of course you can change them, you can play them here. You can pitch every sample individually. Also you can reverse it. And of course, as it is synchronized with the PM, it's following the BPM of the DAW. Let's keep with the jungle kind of BPM. So this is the play mode, so you can also pitch by this in real time. You can change length. Of course, everything can be automated with a DAW. And you can change the play mode here in different play modes. For example, go to cycle. Then you see you also can change format. Texture. You can do some really weird stuff with it. Let's go back to repitch. And before I explain the pattern generator, I would like to show you the real-time modulation possibilities. So this all acts on the notes. So if I change the swing, it starts adding swing to the groove. Or mutate, this changes the whole notes in real time. And there's an interesting functionality. If you click on kick, then, or in addition to backbeat, it will preserve all the notes that are related to kick and backbeat, so you can mutate and still remain the main beat as it is, but still mutate it. can listen, the kick and the backbeat is still remains. You can also add ghost notes to the hi-hats and stutter and add fills. And as it is in real time, you can also always use them for every pattern which is selected over here. And let me guide you through some pattern presets. Let's hit play again. Yeah, I won't bore you with every single pattern. Just download the demo, which is working fully, and then you can check out yourself. So there are already plenty of variation. And if this is not enough, there's a really interesting functionality, which is this one, where you can create random patterns and also using different kind of settings. So just give it a try. So let's say the variety is, why not half-half? The repetition a little bit less, the groove, and let's go for random. And let's have a listen. If I change the variety, and if you want to keep the pattern, you can just press keep and then it will be saved to your preset library. Of course, you can use this in the instrument channel, but also you can drag the MIDI notes out to your DAW. See, yes, there you go. Now I have the notes here in Bitwig. Also, what's interesting is that, yeah, you can also change the notes here in this sequencer at any time. You see, it changes the note length depending on what you choose here. So this is quite nice, I think. Let's kill the notes. It added the BPM of this, the 110 BPM to the DAW. So I had to delete this again, and now I can change here freely the tempo. Let's go back to 169, why not? And let's play, and then I would love to guide you through the audio effects part. As I said, you can choose your favorite effects to manipulate: distortion, there's a time stretch, several ring modulation, pitch bus, frequency shifter, filter, and also stereo widening. And I think these effects cover the most necessary effects to manipulate the Amen in a proper way. I can do this now, for example, manually, but I mean, let me quickly show how it works. You can add it and expand it here. Everything is also possible to automate, and there are also, independent of the note presets, different presets here. Also here are plenty of different presets, also genre related. And here you can see that this is also automated to the performance part, so I can now explain this one. So depending on what preset you choose, they are also directly already mapped to the macros. See, depending on what preset you choose, it's also automatically changing the preset here. So this is very handy for playing live. So that's mainly the plugin. I think it's highly versatile. There's one last thing I would like to add. You can use this also as just an audio effect plugin. So if you press this, now you are in the effects mode. Everything is disabled, you see, but you can still use the audio effects, probably for something else, because also the effects are sounding very nicely, especially distortion and multiband saturation and the crusher. Just give it a try. Yeah, as always, you can download the plugin from my Kreuzberg Audio webpage. Leave me in the comments what you think or what I maybe can change. I'm super open for everything which makes sense. So thanks a lot for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.